my fiber friends. Today is Tuesday, December 9th, and this is episode 8 of Vlogmas. It is great to see you. I have two goals that I would like to accomplish today. The first one is finishing this basket that I am making to use up some excess yarn that I have. If you saw yesterday's video, you saw that I had 3 open and 4 unopened skeins of this speckly brown yarn. I am almost finished with the brown yarn. I'm down to 1 working strand and this much left. So I've been slowly moving from brown to green as I've been running out of the brown strands. And so obviously I am almost there, making this all green. It is currently measuring 10 inches diameter across the bottom and 7 inches tall. I still think it's too short to carry by handles, so I think I am going to take it to 10 inches. My second goal is to get started on a granny square banner that I want to make for my tent when I resume doing markets in the spring. I have some ideas for some alternating granny squares, and yes, I could read the pattern to figure out how many stitches are on each side, but knowing myself, I think it's better if I just make a couple of them and decide which ones have the same number of stitches across the 4 sides of the square so that I can alternate them and make one banner. So I will check in a little while. See you. Well, for me, it's good evening. It is really late, but I just met my goal of making an owl granny square. So the first of infinity. I will be back tomorrow with a new project and another video. So good night.